Welcome everyone to our reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, and this one is called Poppy Perfection. It's full of great items for you, even storage and some tools. I'll start you off with the Poppy Perfection 6x8 stamp set, and this has several of the poppies in different configurations, so you can stamp a bouquet or have single poppies together. Then there's some messages that can pair together. There are some really simple fonts, and then some really gorgeous handwritten fonts. So this is a 6x8 clear stamp set. And next up is a new product from Tim Holtz, and these are transparent layers, and there are 12 different pieces in the pack. I'll go through these individually. The first one has a series of colorful circles, and then there is a compass or clock face, also some flowers with some really delicate writing. There's some bold flowers like mums and daisies with some writing, then a beautiful butterfly with also some very vintage writing at the top and bottom. Then there's some greens and some typewritten script. And then there's another paint one that has more of strokes of paint color, and these are really pretty. Another one that has little small white daisies and border around the center of the circle. There's a storybook one that has that opening in the center. There's also another greens that is almost like a wreath with some script writing in the center. And then another circle that has some white flowers with pink and red, and of course another butterfly. So these are really fun to put together as shakers or to overlay onto your stamped images. Enclosing one of our clear storage envelopes, and this is great for keeping your ideology products, and it has a nice locking closure on the front so your items won't slip out. We had making some shaker cards in mind when we created this kit, and so we're also including a bag of gold mix confetti. And these sit nice and flat and really reflective, so these make beautiful shaker cards. And to make it easy, we're also including some scrapbook adhesive strips, and these are perfect for outlining your shaker cards and putting everything together without having to cut your foam adhesive. You'll also receive a full box of Colorista color pencils. These are by Spectrum Noir, and there's 12 colors in total, and they include those beautiful reds and also greens for your poppies, along with some beautiful teals and even pink and purple. You can keep your pencils in the plastic sleeve that is enclosed, and we've also including a junior mesh zipper bag, and this is perfect for keeping your pencils and all your tools stored inside. And speaking of tools, we're also including the Simon Says Stamp reverse tweezers. These are super sharp and also very strong, so you can use them to pull the adhesive backing off your foam tape and move things around on your cards. They're also perfect for placing your sequins and gemstones onto your cards since you can grip such a small area on the side of your sequins. The papers for this kit come from Motoscrap and they are single-sided. These are called the spring poppies and they're 6x6. So there's several patterns that you can use to add as backgrounds or even as a main image on your cards. The colors are bright and vibrant with that poppy color, and there's also some muted tones of leaves that you can use as backgrounds for your stamped poppy images. Some of the papers have more of a polka dot or a plain background, and then there are also some black and white sheets, and you can use these as really great backdrops. One of the things that I really like is the index sheet from Motoscrap, and you can use that as a quilted design for a mini slimline card. So here's another gray and white one, and then also a really soft pink of poppies and other florals, and then a bouquet of flowers with some red and green, and finally another black and white image. We're including two envelopes for you. First is the white from Simon Says Stamp, and also a slimline slate. These both have that peel away adhesive so that you don't have to lick them to stick them. You can just pull the adhesive away and seal them up. The cardstocks for this kit are Simon Says Stamp Slate and Lipstick Red in a 100-pound cardstock, and also a Neenah White 110-pound cardstock. And that concludes the reveal portion of our Poppy Perfection card kit. Up next is some inspiration from our designers. I created a shaker card using the foam tape and sequins, and then I stamped onto the transparency using some white StazOn. and then put everything together onto a white card with a bow. Callie created a card using some of the pattern paper and a stamped poppy branch, colored in with pencils, and also set a nice message on top. And then Nina created a masterpiece by doing some alcohol inks on a background and placing a transparency over top with lots of thanks stamped on top. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our Poppy Perfection card kit. Be sure to check the links below for more inspiration and also on how to purchase this card kit. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.